Bonjour, mes étudiants, j'espère que tu vas bien et moi aussi je vais bien. Aujourd'hui, c'est un vidéo très important, okay? It's a very important video that helps you to attempt so many topics in French, especially if you are in class 10. There will be so many topics which will be dependent on the gender of the noun. And in those cases, it's very important for you to remember the exceptions. So this video is all about the exceptions. I've covered few exceptions which are very important, which are very common, that you'll see again and again in the questions. And if you see any other exceptions apart from these exceptions, feel free to put it down in the comments below so that we can all learn from each other. Okay, so let's quickly begin today's video. The first thing that I've written here is words ending with E, but masculine, okay? So we are going to discuss few words that will end with E, but they are all masculine. So the first word is livre. I've not written the meanings in English, but side by side, I'm going to discuss it. And again, I hope that you are sitting with the practice notebook for watching this video. If you have still not brought the practice notebook, just pause this video, go and get it, and then play it again. Okay. So the first word is livre. Livre. What is livre? It's a book. The next word, dictionnaire. So all these words are ending with E. Okay, that's a dictionary. Parapluie. Parapluie. Umbrella. Cartable. That's a school bag. Portable. Cell phone. Théâtre. Very, very common word. Theater. Fleuve. River. Marché. Again, very important word, okay? Marché is market. Disc. What is disc? CD. Text. That's a text. Problem. Problem. Age. Age. Baby. Again, ending with E, but we treat this word as masculine, okay? That's a baby. Élève. Élève. Pupil. Okay. Again, ending with E, but we have to treat it as masculine. Père. C'est évidemment, it's evident that it's masculine, but still it's ending with E. That's why I've listed it here. Father. Homme. Man. Frère. Brother. Oncle. Uncle. Then we have some eating and drinking words. Café. Can you tell me the meaning of café? Coffee. Très bien. Thé. Tea. Legume. Vegetable. Poivre. Pepper. Potage. Soup. Sucre. Sugar. Fromage. That's cheese. Champagne. Champagne. So I've written a couple of words here just to show you this, that this is something which is very important and you cannot neglect this because you will be seeing exceptions in your paper. Okay, so keep adding. I've started the list for you. I want you to note down this entire list and continue it as and then when you see more exceptions in the questions. Okay, so that was all about our first list. Coming to our second list. Second list is words not ending with E but are feminine. Okay, so these are the couple of words that will not end with E. Generally, words ending with E are feminine, but they don't end with E, but still they are feminine. Okay, so we know a couple of words: maison, house, saison, season, croix, cross, leçon, it's a lesson, fleur, flower, solution, solution, eau, water, very common, forêt, forest, cooler, okay, that's color, sir, sister, radio, radio, television, television. Okay, in the first list, I just remember one or two words more. So we're going to write here Kont as well. Okay, this word is in one of the chapter. Kont is like fiction stories. Okay, so this is also masculine. And then in the second list, please remember you can add on the sentence. The words that end with ion are feminine. Okay, so televisio is feminine. Then there is one more word, colección. It is feminine. So words ending with ion are feminine. Do remember that, okay? Yeah. So that was about our second list. Moving on to our third list. So do you know in class 10th, you need this exceptions in which all topics? You need it in adjective pronodemonstrative. Adjective and pronodemonstrative. You need it in adjective pronopossessive. Okay, so these are the places where you need it, and otherwise also in personal pronouns you should know them. Okay, so it's very important. This is the basics of French. Okay, you just can't ignore it. Moving on to our third list, words ending with S but are singular. So these words already end with an S. We have not made them plural. Already S exists in these words. Okay, so which are those words that we have here? Moi, month, pays, country, repas, that's a meal, temps, weather, quel temps fait-il, jus de fruits, fruit juice, and then the last word that I've written here is fes. Fes is sun. So these are the couple of words that I've written here. If you feel like adding on more words to this list, please feel free to do that in the comments below so that you all can learn from each other. Okay. And if you want me to make video on any particular topic, please put it down in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to help. Keep learning and I'll see you in the next video for